Hello, I am back with another topic. And the topic is deep into why should I do my healing work, and why should I desire my harmonious union? Why should I do that when it is full of upset and all that? Why should I do that? Okay, because the whole truth is the whole existence, you know like it is like I exist for my harmonious union. It's a natural process of any spirit. Okay, you can see anyone, the contrast you see in the life, like you see the people in the like being poor, and you see people those are like very rich and having a abundant life. And then when you see that, and you start doubting your existence, what you are doing, why God is making those people poor and giving everything to the rich people. And what do I deserve? Did God created me to suffer? And even if I'm not poor, I will experience everything in my life as a suffering and pain, and that will make me feel as if I don't have anything. I just have to just be in pain and die. That's exactly is like I am choosing to die, and that death is not going to break the cycle. Okay, you need to see on a level of soul. When the soul is created by universe, you can just see the beginning of your creation, not only this incarnation. Maybe this incarnation is your first one, or maybe you have come across a lot where you have experimented your choices, you have enjoyed your choices are your actions, and then you have enjoyed the return, the effect, the effect of your action. And when you have been learning all through this, maybe at times with whatever knowledge you have, you made some action that returned you a effect which was painful. And then there were times when you put your energy in doing some action, and that returned you a success, and that returned you love. So in both the cases, it's your experience, because the action is done by you do that action either physically or you do that action vibrationally. Okay, but you need to see everything is originating from you. That's the essence of the soul, and that's where the beginning of the cycle of karma happens. So if you see only this lifetime, maybe you can just see this lifetime. If you have like put in your action in a way to expand only, then you will see slowly your soul will rise and you will expand. Even if you were born as a poor, like I was born as a very miserable poverty, but slowly when I one thing I did, that was I believed that even if I am born with poverty, I can do, like I can rise up to my richness, and I can attract all my abundance. Okay, and there is no ending to it. And if like we have built in a belief that when you desire more of abundance, then you become greedy. Okay, but you need to see in the process of believing or giving your power into greediness, you are actually blocking the flow of your abundance. Okay, you can absolutely be abundant and become humble. You don't have to be greedy, right? It's your choice, right? After receiving too much of money, like after having your treasure full of gold and money, and you sitting on that, you can become humble and be at service to humanity. Or you can just become greedy. That is your in your control, right? your emotions, becoming a greedy, or becoming or staying that humbleness, staying in that humbleness, is your absolutely your choice. And that actually is a reflection of your ascension in the soul, how much your soul has ascended. Okay, if you have just earned the money externally, and nothing has been grown in the soul, then becoming greedy is a natural process. But if you have expanded your material possessions, and also you have expanded the growth of your soul by involving in the inner work, by involving in the spiritual growth of your soul, then it will be very natural that when you attain a materialistic gain, you will attain that spiritual development within you also. And you exist to have a harmonious union. Your natural state of being is having a harmonious union with your twin flame, because you are created with your twin flame. And it is that, life after life, you are supposed to be with your twin flame only. It is just because, sometimes we made some choice because of our lack of wisdom or lack of knowledge, that actually separated both of you, that actually separated me from my twin flame. And the more and more you choose to be in authentic harmonious union with yourself, you will attract your twin flame very naturally, because that's your natural state of being. Okay, and the existence is all about twin flame harmonious union. Everyone has their twin flame. Everybody on this earth that you see are having their own twin flame, and you don't see them in complete love, complete unconditional love, because somewhere they have chosen that separation within them. They have chosen a deep separation from God, and you will see most of them engaged in a efforting world. The living itself will feel like, it's a big thing. Every day becomes heavy, like every day you woke up and the day feels so heavy, and there will be no partner to be with you, to love you, to expand you. It will feel like, I'm just alone, and there is a lot of thing I have to do, and then also I have to take care of my spouse. So all that thing, and I cannot even share what exactly I'm feeling within me. Those are not harmonious vibration of any person. Okay, so the harmonious vibration is your natural state of being, and you can start beginning that process just by making a choice. The moment you make a choice that I choose to have my harmonious union, and that is your existence of your soul, and it will start manifesting, it will start unfolding, because the universe is going to bring in the components towards you, so that you become one with your twin flame, and then enjoy your heaven on earth. That's the natural state of being. So you can always affirm to yourself that I exist for my harmonious union. I literally exist for my harmonious union. If I don't do in this lifetime, I choose to suffer, I choose to betray my twin flame by staying in other relationship, then I will continue that vibration in the next lifetime. You will feel like, who is going to do this work, so much effort, but don't, and like let this lifetime go away like this, and don't feel like that. Next lifetime you are going to start with the same vibration. It doesn't end with the end of body, the vibration stays. You will begin the next lifetime with the same vibration, and you will repeat the same healing work till you reach your harmonious union. So it is always good that when you are aware, when this consciousness is passing you, like you are coming across this consciousness, you are getting to know this, that it is easy, it is so easy to be with yourself. Having a person with you Yeah, currently I don't have, I just have energetically now. I'm still healing my journey because I totally believe that I exist for my harmonious union. I have made choices towards my harmonious union consistently, and I have started sharing my life with you, and I will show you how this work is going to bring me into my harmonious union with my twin flame. So all that you have to do is, when you are getting into this consciousness, God is passing through you to telling you that you can also do it, because God has not designed this specifically for me. It is for everyone. It is for everyone. You exist for your harmonious union, and that's a absolutely state of peace and love. Thank you.